Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video I will be replacing my air dryer cartridge and also my air purge valve on a 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA 17. Stay tuned. So in case you're wondering why I'm replacing my air dryer cartridge and my air purge valve, I have a air leak issue and I will show you shortly what I'm talking about. If you look, my air gauge, it reads all the way to 125, 135. So this is what I've noticed. Whenever it blows off the excess air or cut off the air compressor, if you watch the needle right here, it will slowly start to lose air. If you can take a closer look. So when that happens, it will go all the way until the compressor, that's the air compressor, kicks back on. Right now it's moving very slowly, but when I'm driving it does it very fast. As you can see, it's just losing the air. So when you look at the air relief valve, as you can see, our air, let me put the mic closer, I'm losing air, as you can hear. It shouldn't be doing that. So it's either my air dryer, the entire thing is bad, or my air dryer cartridge is full or contaminated with oil, or this purge valve is bad. So I'm trying the cheaper route first. I'm going to replace my air cartridge right here and also my air relief valve. So for today's replacement and installation, these are the tools and parts that I'll be using. I got this thing a long time ago. This is going to be used to take off the cartridge. It uses a 1/2 inch wrench. Also, you're going to need a snap ring, pliers, some brake parts cleaner, some rag or cloth, whatever you choose. This is going to be the air dryer cartridge. It's not OEM, and this is also the purge, the air purge valve, not OEM. These were recommended to me by Paul at MX13 Kingsport, Virginia, or Tennessee, my bad, Kingsport, Tennessee. So these are the cheaper options. So you can give Paul a shout out. He always gives me the cheapest price possible and also local discount. I told him I have a YouTube channel, and in case my viewers call, he said that you guys can also get the local parts discount, and they also do shipping. So shout out to Paul at MX13 Kingsport. Thing I'm going to do, I'm working on the air system, and I know that thing's going to have some pressure, so I'm going to really try and release all the air out of the system. Sounds like it's empty. Next thing I'm gonna do is try and remove this cartridge. So next I'm gonna try remove this guy right here. It uses a snap ring, and this is where this guy comes to play. And it's off, guys. As you can see, the shit is crusty. Old air dryer cartridge, old air dryer purge valve. You can see shit is crusty, guys. So let me clean up that area and get back to the install. After some cleaning, guys, this is how I'm looking. So that's the top part, and then I also cleaned here. So time to reinstall and hope for the best. So this is the new, that is the old. So guys, the cartridge came with an O-ring. As you can see, I already lubed both of them, lubed all the rubber. So time to reinstall. There it is, guys. New purge valve with new snap ring in it. New air dryer cartridge. As you can see, guys, it's not doing it anymore. See? So that's the end of the install, guys. It's quite straightforward and it seems very easy. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace.